Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Today, I'm going to experiment with cooking salmon in my Power Smokeless grill. The blue light is blinking, and when it stops blinking, that means it has heated up. So while it is heating up, we're going to prepare our salmon. I've already rinsed the salmon off, so now I'm going to spray it with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray. Now I'm going to sprinkle on my applewood smoke seasoning. Now I'm going to put fresh squeezed lemon on top. We're going to place it on a piece of tin foil. Squeeze just a little bit more lemon on the other side that I flipped it to. I've already sprinkled herbamare inside the vegetables. Now I'm going to seal up our salmon and vegetables in our tin foil. The light has stopped blinking on the grill, so let's place this inside our grill. Put the lid back on, and we're gonna give it 16 minutes, then we'll come back and test it. Our timer has gone off, so let's test this salmon. It seems like it might need just another minute or two. I've turned it up to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna put the timer on for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes, so let's check our salmon. It sure smells good. The vegetables, woo, are nice and hot. The salmon seems to be done. I'll be honest with you, it doesn't have quite the flavor of when I cook it on my stove top. So let's try cooking the salmon right on top of the grill and not wrapped up in the tin foil. Squeeze a little more lemon juice on it. I'm gonna set the timer for 4 minutes, then I'll come back and flip it over. The timer's gone off, so we're going to turn our salmon over. Squeeze a little lemon juice on there. And I'm gonna do a timer for 2 minutes. I think that's all it's gonna need. Our timer's gone off, so let's check the salmon. Now I did fillet this salmon like I do when I cook it on the stove top, so let's give it a taste. Now this tastes like it does when I cook it on my stove top. Okay, so we've now had lunch, and I want to ask my husband his opinion of the salmon, the way I cooked it the 2 different ways today. So babe, you have had my salmon on the stove top many, many times. How would you compare the salmon that I cooked in the tin foil and the salmon that I cooked on the grill? How would you compare both of those to what I cook on the stove top?
Well, I've always loved the salmon you cook on the stovetop. It's very, very good by itself or on a sandwich. Both of the ones that you cooked on the grill tasted good today, but I think the one that you filleted and grilled without the tin foil was just a little bit better.
I agree.
The one in the tin foil seemed a little tougher, but that may have been that particular piece of meat. It wasn't tough, just a little tougher. So, but it was very good. It was a great lunch.
Did you like the taste of the one that was in the tin foil?
Yeah, the taste was good.
Okay.
And the vegetables were really good cooked in there with the salmon and the seasonings that was on the salmon and the juices.
Awesome.
That's good. I got a lot to do.
Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.